Jalal ad-Din Muhammad Rumi, one of the most revered mystics of all time, has left us with an abundance of wisdom, etched into poetry that transcends both time and culture. His work offers profound insights into the human condition, love, and the journey of the soul. Today, we delve deep into the life lessons from Rumi, exploring his teachings on love, inner growth, and the meaning of life. Let's embark on this mystical journey together. Rumi teaches us that true growth begins from within. He writes, "You were born with wings. Why prefer to crawl through life?" Here, Rumi challenges us to recognize our potential. We are not limited by our circumstances or the beliefs that others impose on us. The path to self-discovery requires us to turn inward, to explore the depths of our being. But this path is not without pain. Rumi's lesson here is clear. The most significant journey is not across distant lands, but within. The more we understand ourselves, the closer we come to uncovering our highest potential. The obstacles we face are not roadblocks, but necessary steps to deeper self-awareness. He tells us, "The wound is the place where the light enters you." Perhaps Rumi's most famous teaching is that of love. But his concept of love transcends mere romance. It is a divine, universal force. He says, "Let yourself be silently drawn by the strange pull of what you really love. It will not lead you astray." To Rumi, love is not confined to relationships, but rather, it's the energy that connects all of existence. Love drives the universe, shapes our interactions, and leads us back to our true nature. Rumi teaches us that love can dissolve boundaries between people, between ourselves and the divine, between life and death. He writes, "In your light, I learn how to love. In your beauty, how to make poems. You dance inside my chest, where no one sees you, but sometimes I do, and that sight becomes this art." This is not the superficial love we often chase, but a cosmic force that transforms us from the inside out. Another critical lesson Rumi teaches is the power of surrender. He often spoke about surrendering to the flow of life and trusting the process, even when we don't understand it. In one of his most famous quotes, he says, "Try not to resist the changes that come your way. Instead, let life live through you, and do not worry that your life is turning upside down. How do you know that the side you are used to is better than the one to come?" Resistance creates suffering, while acceptance brings peace. Rumi teaches us to trust in the unknown, to release our fear of change, and to accept that life is always working in our favor, even when it seems chaotic. What appears to be loss may actually be clearing the way for new beginnings. He writes, "When I am silent, I have thunder hidden inside." This silence is not the absence of action, but the calm before transformation. The universe speaks in this quiet, if only we are willing to listen. One of Rumi's most powerful messages is the interconnectedness of all life. He writes, "I am not this hair, I am not this skin, I am the soul that lives within." This is a reminder that our physical form, the identities we cling to, and the labels we place on others are all illusions. Beneath these surface identities lies a deeper truth, that we are all one. Rumi's mysticism blurs the lines between self and other, man and woman, rich and poor, earth and heavens. Everything is connected through the same divine source. The lamps are different, but the light is the same. This unity, this light, is the essence of all things. When we come to this understanding, compassion and love naturally arise, because how can you harm another when you know you are part of them? Finally, Rumi teaches us to embrace the mystery of existence. There are questions that cannot be answered, and paths that cannot be fully known. In his words, "Sell your cleverness and buy bewilderment." He invites us to release our need for certainty and control, and to find beauty in not knowing. Life is not a puzzle to be solved, but a mystery to be experienced. By embracing mystery, we open ourselves to wonder, curiosity, and awe. This is where true wisdom is born, not from the answers we seek, but from the questions we dare to ask. Rumi's timeless teachings invite us to live with love, embrace the unknown, and journey inward to discover the depths of our soul. In his words, Do not be satisfied with the stories that come before you. Unfold your own myth. As we walk through life, let us unfold our own stories, guided by the light of love and wisdom, just as Rumi did centuries ago. Rumi's words are not just poetry, they are a call to awaken the soul. May we each find our way back to the heart of who we truly are. As we reflect on Rumi's profound wisdom, remember that these lessons are not just meant to be heard, but lived. Take these teachings into your daily life, embrace love, surrender to life's flow, and explore the mystery within. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs a little inspiration today. Join us on this journey as we continue to explore the wisdom of the ages, one step at a time. Leave us a comment. What lesson from Rumi resonates with you the most? Let's keep the conversation going and grow together.